grow black peppers from seeds at home. Choosing the right peppercorn seeds for planting. The black peppercorn seeds from grocery stores are not suitable for germination, because they have been dried and processed to prevent germination. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours to soften the outer shell. After 24 hours, discard any floating seeds. Take a pot having many drainage holes. Fill this pot with seed-raising soil or make your own free-draining soil by mixing some coarse river sand in potting soil. Plant the seeds about 1 centimeter deep in soil. You can plant more than one seed in the same pot. Keep the soil moist and keep the pot in a location with bright, indirect sunlight, in temperature between 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. If you do not have such a condition outside, then keep the pot indoors and provide required light conditions using grow lights or fluorescent lights. The seed will germinate in 4 to 8 weeks, depending on temperature and quality of seeds. Transplant the seedling when it grows 3 to 4 sets of leaves. This is a 1-year-old black pepper plant grown from seed. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.